Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the February boxes for Birchbox and Look Fantastic. I've actually got a mystery box for Look Fantastic as well as the normal February one, so hopefully that should be quite fun. And then in a couple days I'll have the new glossy box, I think, and then I get reshipments for Look Fantastic and Birchbox again. So I'm going to start off with the mysterious box. It came under something called the Hut Group, which was a bit strange because I didn't know who it was, but it's actually for Look Fantastic. So let's try and give it an open. Okay, so this is the look of the box itself. It's quite a lot smaller than what it was sent in. So it kind of looks like this. And then if you turn around, it's got a pink back to it. And then if I open it up, it's got a kind of like a little saying in it. So Hanyoku, sorry. The act of walking on tiptoes on warm sand. It's quite nice. And then so you got a little booklet inside for the beauty box. And it sort of gives you some descriptions. And then you get a cute little Elle magazine with it as well, and it kind of like opens out for the first page, and then, you know, normal magazine, and then you get the fun bit, so it's been taped up. This is sort of like the first look into the kit. I have a face contour kit by Sleek and an Advert age defying cream, some teeth white stripes, which is pretty cool because I've always wanted to try them. In transit camera close-up mask moisturizer cream. Little I Do eyeliner by Ico. If it will. And a little charcoal face mask. So bubble purifying charcoal, which I love. Face mask sheet. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Okay, and that is everything for this mystery box from Look Fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and open the normal box now. So this is the size of the normal box. It's got Look Fantastic already on it. So I knew exactly who it was straight away. Very different to their other box. And their normal box looks a little bit different to the mystery one, so to keep it unique. It's pink all around. So inside the lid, love is like the sunshine trickling through clouds on a rainy day, inescapable and ever present. I like that one as well. And then again, a similar thing with the other one. You get a little beauty box brochure, and then you get another Elle magazine to read. And then inside as well, you also get this. So I'll open it up. And for this box, it's quite nice because I just got the contour palette, but I've also got like a little brush bit as well from Sleek. I have a Lord and Berry pencil. I think it's a lip pencil. I have a Punk Volumizer mascara from Douce. Don't really know how you pronounce it. Yeah. If it will. It's deciding that it's not going to focus today. And then Philip Kingsley Maximizer. So this apparently maximizes volume, body and bounce for hair. And again, the silence not going to fix. And I have some little eyelash curlers. And an exfoliate detox sea mud deep cleansing bar. So I believe that is it for the Look Fantastic box. Let's get moving on to the Birchbox. This February in the Birchbox you get an espresso latte kind of palette. So this is the February Birchbox. It looks really nice. It's got a floral design. It's not just a block colour like the Look Fantastic one. And it's got this little Birchbox logo bit down here. And it's got Let Love Grow. So it kind of looks like a little drawer instead of the Look Fantastic where you take the lid off. The Birchbox actually you just pull out. And it doesn't seem like I have one of those saying things, which I really like in the Look Fantastic boxes. In the lid, it gives you a little saying. Birchbox doesn't, but it still gives me a leaflet and tells me the products that they've got for this month. So in this box I have a nice Luxie brush. I also have a Ciba Med Clear Face Anti-Pimple Gel, which is great because at the moment I've got a few spots that have appeared. And then I've got Lock Liquid Shimmer Shadow, which is kind of a nice colour. It's a little bit bronzy. And then I've got a Coco and Eve Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, which I'm really excited to use because my hair, being curly, not straightened like today, gets really frizzy, so this will do really well. And then this I've been quite excited about because I've seen it. No One Gets Flirty with the Dirty. It's a body cleanse by Anatomicals. So I'm really excited to try and use this, and I'll let you guys know what I think. And then inside you get a little 15% off, and then you get a few little postcards, which I think gives a really nice touch. So to Look Fantastic, obviously you get the sayings in the top of the box, but with this you get postcards that you can send to your friends. So I might definitely use these. I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever video of unboxing. I'm going to be doing a few more of these, and I'm hoping to do some videos where I've tried out the mask that I've gotten, teeth whitening, the hair stuff. I've got some more masks that I'm looking to do, so hopefully I can do a comparison between them and what my thoughts were on them, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon. If you liked my video, please like down below and hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you watching again soon.